As a law enforcement officer, my fundamental duty is to serve mankind, to safeguard lives and property, to protect the innocent against deception, the weak against oppressions or intimidation, and the peaceful against violence or disorder, and to respect the constitutional rights of all men to liberty, equality, and justice, will keep my private life unsullied as an example to all. Maintain courageous calm in the face of danger, score or ridicule, develop self-restraint, and be constantly mindful of the welfare of others, honest in thought and deed in both my personal and official life. I will be exemplary in obeying the laws of the land and the regulations of my department. Whatever I see or hear of a confidential nature, or that is confided to me in my official capacity, will be kept ever secret unless revelation is necessary for the performance of my duty. I will never act officiously or permit personal feelings, prejudice, animus, so ganito, animosities or friendships to influence my decisions with no compromise for crime, and with relentless prosecution of criminals. I will enforce the law courteously and appropriately, without fear or favor. Malice or ill will, never employing unnecessary force or violence, and never accepting gratuitous. I recognize the badge of my office as a symbol of public faith, and I accept it as a public trust to be held so as I am to the ethics of the police service. I I will constantly strive to achieve these objectives and ideals, ideals, dedicating myself before uh, before God to me, God to my chosen professions, law enforcement, uh, law enforcement profession. Um, God to my chosen profession, law enforcement.